This year I moved to a new city from New York to Miami. I've lived in New York for over 30 years and I really needed a change. I needed a place that I didn't have to have a car and it really limited my options. So in Miami there are certain neighborhoods where you don't have to have a car, and I found that taking Ubers and Lyfts are a little bit more affordable than it would have been in New York. This is going to be one of my first apartments that I'm going to be able to decorate and make design decisions all by myself. So it's going to be a really fun process for me. It's partially furnished, so all the big stuff like the couch, the TV, and the bed were already here. But I'm going to be swapping out the bed. It's a king size, which I don't need, and I'm going to swap it out for a queen. I'm really excited to be able to create the space and make it my own. There's another thing I'm really excited about, and it's the balcony garden. I've been an urban gardener for over 15 years, and I'm excited to see how differently the plants grow in Florida. I welcome you to join me in my journey of making this place my own and to see what it's like living in Miami as a New Yorker.